In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create price lists in Zoho Books. Price lists let you automatically adjust item rates for different scenarios, like offering special customer pricing, seasonal discounts, or supplier-specific costs, without manually editing each line on every transaction. We'll turn the feature on, then create a new price list you can use on sales or purchase documents. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard and open the settings menu by clicking the gear icon. In Settings, go to Items. Here, you'll find the option to enable price lists. Turn it on so Zoho Books adds price list controls throughout your account. Be sure to save your changes, then close the Settings panel to return to your main workspace. Back on the main screen, open the Items module. Within Items, look for the Price List section and open it. This is where all your price lists will live. Click New to create your first one. Give your price list a clear, descriptive name. A good name makes it easy to recognize later. Think along the lines of Retail Summer Promo or Wholesale North Region. Next, choose the transaction type. Select Sales. If this pricing will be used on quotes, sales orders, or invoices you issue to customers. Choose Purchase if the pricing is meant for bills or purchase orders you create for vendors. This keeps the right rates tied to the right side of your workflow. Now set the price list type. You can apply adjustments to all items, which is great for broad across-the-board rules, or to individual items, which is helpful when only certain products should be affected. Pick the option that matches how specific you want your pricing to be. Under Percentage, decide whether this price list is a markup or a markdown. A markup increases the base rate by the percentage you enter. For example, a 10% markup raises a $100 item to $110. A markdown decreases the rate. For instance, a 50% markdown drops a $200 item to $170. Choose the one that aligns with your goal and set the percentage carefully so it reflects your policy. Next, choose how you want prices rounded in the Round Off to field. Rounding helps keep your catalog tidy. Common choices include rounding to the nearest whole number or to 2 decimal places, depending on your currency and pricing style. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new price list is now available and ready to be selected on applicable transactions. That's it. Enable, define, and save. With price lists in place, you'll speed up data entry, reduce errors, and keep your pricing consistent across your business.